All right, like I mentioned in the previous video, the first thing that you want to do when you get your new cuff, the Generation 3 cuffs, is charge your Doppler and pump. To do that, what I'm going to do is I'm first going to turn it on, and what you'll notice is what the battery is at. So mine's not at 100%. I'm going to keep it on, and then I'm going to plug it in. Then you'll see the little charge, and that means that it's charging. Okay, and then I'm just gonna let this be, and I'll let this charge for somewhere between like 6 hours, or do it overnight. Make sure it's fully charged. If it's not fully charged, we have it so that if the battery gets too low, it will not get your limb occlusion pressure. It won't allow you to exercise as a safety feature, because we don't want it to run out of battery during the middle of your exercise routine. That would be bad. So make sure it's fully charged, make sure it's as charged up as possible before each use.